they say. Time and tide wait for no man, meaning that no matter who you are, time keeps moving forward. Once a moment is gone, you can never get it back. Another old saying goes, make hay while the sun shines, which reminds us to take advantage of opportunities when they appear, instead of procrastinating or wasting them. Every hour wasted is a treasure lost forever, and every moment wisely spent builds the life you dream of. In today's story, you'll see how a young man learned that talent and ambition alone are not enough. Success comes to those who respect and use their time wisely. Every hour he chose to ignore or waste was a chance lost, and every hour he invested thoughtfully helped him grow, not just in skill, but in character and relationships. Along the way, you'll also learn new English words and phrases naturally, seeing them come to life through the choices and experiences of the characters. By the end, you'll discover why valuing your time, it's about making the most of every moment and every person in your life. Once upon a time, in a small Pennsylvania town filled with red buildings and cobblestone streets, there lived a young man named Samuel Harper. Samuel was bright, ambitious, and known for his charm. But he had one habit: he never valued his own time. End-wanting Samuel would linger at the town diner, chatting with friends re coffee refills. He was skilled in woodworking, like his father before him, but he often postponed his projects, claiming there was always tomorrow. His father, Mr. Harper, owned a small furniture workshop. "Samuel," he said one morning, "your hands can craft beauty, but if your mind wanders too long, your talent is wasted. Time lost is never returned." Samuel would laugh it off, saying, "I work best under pressure." One spring, the town announced a county-wide fair with a prize of $10,000 for the best handcrafted furniture. The prize was enough to save struggling workshops and make the winner's name known throughout Pennsylvania. Mr. Harper immediately enrolled Samuel in the competition, hoping it would teach him focus and discipline. Samuel agreed, but secretly he assumed he could delay most of the work until the last week. Weeks went by. Samuel spent mornings at the river, afternoons fixing his old bike, and evenings flirting with local girls. His father worked tirelessly, preparing the wood, measuring and guiding him. But Samuel's part remained unfinished. 2 days before the fair, Samuel realized the base of his chair, the piece he had promised to carve with intricate designs, was not even started. Panic set in desperate. Samuel began carving through the night, ignoring sleep and meals. His hands bled from the sharp tools, his back ached, and the finer details were sloppy. When dawn broke, the chair looked unstable, and he feared it might collapse at the fair. Samuel's chair stood beside works by Mr. Whitman, the town's best carpenter, and Lydia Banks, a young prodigy who had won 2 previous county fairs. Samuel's chair wobbled slightly under the judges' weight tests. He had talent, but time had betrayed him. The judges praised his effort, but ultimately awarded the prize to Lydia. Samuel felt humiliated. The townspeople whispered he could have won if only he hadn't wasted his time. On the way home, Samuel's father placed a hand on his shoulder. "Son, time is the most precious thing we have, and it cannot be earned back once lost." Samuel finally realized the truth. He had chased distractions, thinking there was always tomorrow, and tomorrow had run out. Over the next year, Samuel changed and balanced work with rest carefully. By the next county fair, he had crafted a flawless rocking chair, intricate enough to catch the judges' eyes. This time, he won first place, not because he was the most talented, but because he respected every moment he spent on his craft. By the next county fair, Samuel had spent months carefully crafting his chair. He woke early, planned his hours, and worked with focus. But this time, he did something different. He invited his father to help him at every step. They measured the wood together, sanded the surfaces side by side, and shared ideas late into the evening. Samuel realized that by valuing his time, he could also value the people around him. On the day of the fair, Samuel's detail, the judges awarded him first place. But the real prize wasn't the trophy or the money. It was the bond he had built with his father. As they carried the chair home, Mr. Harper smiled warmly. You see, Samuel, when you respect time, you also respect those you spend it with. Every hour you give thoughtfully is an hour of care, love, and connection. Samuel hugged his father tightly. I understand now, Dad. Time isn't just for work. It's for the people who matter too. From that day on, Samuel not only became a master craftsman, but also a devoted son and friend. He learned that valuing time wasn't just about achieving goals. Time is life's most valuable resource. Talent and ambition are meaningless without the discipline to use every hour wisely. Don't waste your moments on distractions or idle pleasures. Every second counts, and once it's gone, you can never get it back. And that's the story. Remember, just like Samuel learned, valuing your time can change everything. Your skills, your success, and even your relationships. If you enjoyed this story, here's how you can help our channel grow. Like this video. It shows us you want more stories like this. Stud Gudge and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson-packed story. Share your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing which part inspired you the most. Share this video with friends or family. Every like, comment, and share helps us create more meaningful, fun, and educational stories for you. So don't just watch. Join our story community and grow with us.